Tired of your to-do list feeling like a never-ending monster? Let's transform chaos into calm by mastering Asana as your daily productivity powerhouse in just 90 seconds. First, start each day in your My Tasks view. This is your command center. Drag and drop tasks into the Today section based on your priorities. Be realistic. Don't overschedule yourself. Next, ruthlessly assign due dates. Everything must have a deadline. If something doesn't have a due date, it's easy to forget. Click on the task and use the calendar to set a specific date and even a time. Use the upcoming and later sections strategically. Anything you can't tackle today goes into upcoming for the next few days or later for longer-term projects. This keeps your today view manageable. Need to stay on track? Try using Asana's built-in timing feature to start. Click on the task you will be working on and click Start Timer. You can pause it when you take a break and start it again after the break. Minimize distractions. Close unnecessary tabs. Put your phone on silent. And consider using focus mode on your computer. Asana is powerful, but it can't block out the world for you. Throughout the day, mark tasks as complete as you finish them. This visual cue of progress is incredibly motivating and helps you stay focused. Finally, at the end of the day, quickly review your progress. What did you accomplish? What needs to be moved to tomorrow? This quick review sets you up for a productive tomorrow. So, there you have it, a daily dose of Asana mastery. Start implementing these tips today and watch your productivity. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.